Want your home to feel instantly festive this Christmas without buying lots of decorations? These 10 plants will bring natural holiday charm to any space. Welcome back. Today, we're sharing 10 beautiful plants that can make your home look warm, cozy, and truly Christmas ready. Nothing feels more like Christmas than a mini fir or spruce. Its fresh green needles and natural shape instantly create a holiday atmosphere. Place it in a bright, cool room and keep the soil slightly moist for the best look. Poinsettias are a classic Christmas favorite. Their bold red and green leaves make them perfect for tables, shelves, or entryways. Keep them in bright, indirect light and water only when the soil feels dry. The Norfolk Island pine looks like a small, elegant Christmas tree. It works beautifully in modern homes and small spaces. Place it near a bright window and keep the soil evenly moist. Amaryllis plants produce large, dramatic flowers that feel very festive. Red and white varieties are especially popular during the holidays. They look stunning as a centerpiece on a dining table or console. The Christmas cactus blooms right around the holiday season. Its colorful flowers add a soft and cheerful touch to any room. It prefers bright, indirect light and light, regular watering. With glossy red blooms, anthuriums look like living Christmas ornaments. They add a bright pop of color and last for weeks indoors. Anthuriums love warm spaces with indirect light. A rosemary plant shaped like a tiny tree is both decorative and useful. It adds a fresh, natural scent and can be used in holiday cooking. Keep it in a sunny spot and avoid overwatering. Cyclamen brings delicate red, pink, or white flowers during winter. Its compact size makes it perfect for desks, shelves, or bedside tables. It prefers cool temperatures and bright light. Holly plants are known for their shiny green leaves and bright red berries. They instantly give a traditional Christmas look to any room. Place them near a bright window and keep the soil lightly moist. English ivy is perfect for adding greenery to shelves, mantels, or decorative arrangements. Its trailing vines soften spaces and add a festive, natural feel. It grows well indoors with moderate light and regular watering. So, which of these Christmas plants would you love to add to your home this year? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.